はい、皆さん、こんにちは。日本語の勉強、頑張っていますか？ Welcome to Wright Juku online channel. Juku is a Japanese noun. The meaning is a place to learn specific knowledge. So Wright Juku online is a place to learn Japanese. I am Sayaka. よろしくお願いします。If your dream is to live in Japan, work in Japan, you must learn kanji. Kanji is everywhere, so you must learn kanji. That is why I start creating kanji tutorial video to help self-learner like you. I have two goals. One is to teach 1026 kanji. Why? Because 1026 kanji is good for JLPT N2. If you want to get a job in Japan, you must have at least JLPT N2. That's why. I've already completed N5 level kanji. You can find N5 kanji playlist on my channel. You're good to go. And N4 kanji playlist, it will be completed very soon. So be patient. N3 and N2, I'm still working on it. I call this challenge Kanji Challenge 1026. It's an ongoing project that I'm working on. I hope you join me with this challenge. The second goal is to teach you how to learn Japanese and motivate you to keep going. A wise man said, teach a man to fish. Don't give a man a fish. Right? So I want to share how you can learn Japanese efficiently. Because if you are an adult learner, you are probably busy with your work and your life, right? So I want to share how to learn Japanese efficiently so that you can learn Japanese as fast as possible. There are so much free content that you can learn Japanese online, but you probably feel lost like where to start or what to do. I share how to learn Japanese through my lessons video. Let me be your guide and cheerleader for your Japanese journey. Here's the good news. I also make JLPT practice tests for you to prepare next JLPT. Please subscribe to my channel and let's learn Japanese to make your dreams come true. それではレッスンで会いましょう。チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。